So this is your first pocket money, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what do you think?
Good.
And what jobs did you have to do to get it?
Can you tell me?
What did you have to do?
Get the dog out.
Yep.
Get my bag.
Yep.
And eat my breakfast.
Mhm.
And what was the last bit?
Put shoes away.
Put the shoes away. What was the last one?
I think that was it.
Yep. That was it.
And how much pocket money did you get?
2.
70 cents.
70 cents.
You happy?
Yeah. Have a look at the back.
Once we're finished.
Why are you just looking at that?
There's Steve, who just got a mouse. And Gary.
Can I do it?
And Tessa. And Mummy. Say bye.